In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a GoDaddy domain. Whether you're looking to redirect traffic from an old domain to a new one, or simply want a different URL to point to your website, the process is straightforward. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log in to your GoDaddy account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up on their website. Once you've made it to the dashboard, you'll see various options and settings. What we want to focus on today is managing your domains, so head over to My Products and click on Domains. This will display all the domains associated with your account that you can manage. Next, find the specific domain you want to forward. You'll see a list, and you can either click on the Manage button next to the domain or click directly on the domain name itself. Doing this will open up a new section where you can adjust the settings of that particular domain. Scroll down through this new section until you reach Additional Settings. Here, you'll see an option labeled Manage DNS. Clicking on this will take you to the DNS management area, which is vital for the domain forwarding process. Now that we're in the DNS management area, look for the section titled Forwarding. You might need to scroll a bit to find it, but it should be there. Once you've located it, click on Add. This opens up a new form where you can input the URL that you want visitors to be redirected to whenever they enter your domain name. Make sure that you choose the correct protocol for the URL, whether it's HTTP or HTTPS, based on where your destination site is hosted. After entering the URL, you'll need to decide the type of forwarding you want to set up. You can choose between a 301 redirect, which is permanent, or a 302 redirect, which is temporary. If you intend for the redirect to be permanent, which is common if you're changing domain names, go with the 301 redirect. If it's just a temporary change, the 302 option will suffice. Once you've entered all the necessary information and made your choice, click Save to apply the settings. Keep in mind that it can take a little while for these changes to propagate across the internet. So don't be surprised if the forwarding doesn't work immediately. Give it some time to take effect, and your domain should be forwarding to the new URL soon enough. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up domain forwarding with GoDaddy. You can always come back to make adjustments or even turn off the forwarding if necessary. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful.